There we go, revision 1 of the compactor that I have designed and made. So, this adjusts lengthways and heightways, obviously. I've put these riv nuts and knobs, it's 25 box section and 20 box section. Fiddled about with it, got it right. I might change a few things next time. It wasn't the fastest process, I can get it faster, so I'll mess about, but I wanted to get one together, make sure my design was right and make sure it actually does its job. So, but it looks all right. Yeah, bungs go in the ends of the tube and in the tube there as well. So, yeah, we'll see if it works. So, we go that side first. We'll do that side first. Right, so is that too big? That's the question.
Nice.
Actually looks quite well. I think I'm going to adjust that size though, it's a little bit big. And I don't think I need it that big. Let's see. Right, so if I just take that off, it makes it that big. Yeah. And take new bits. So that's obviously not gonna that's gonna be like that's the max height. Like you're just never gonna go that far. But I just got the bin at least a quarter better than it was. Easy. Stuff like that.
Nice one.